Namaste. I'm going to tell about some research fools questions about the Everest trips. If you guys also coming to Nepal for the research and writings, many kinds of the theoretical tools, okay, we absolutely we can interact with these others, and I share my knowledge, and they have many materials, many resources for the thesis, and then the dissertations for the you know finding some things new in the Everest regions. Okay, I'm now here the samples some information and some research about the Everest. Okay, I have these titles: Conquering Everest, or multi-theoretical literary analysis of the Everest climbing narratives. Thesis statement. Okay, first I see the thesis statement. I read: this research explored how multiple literary theories, such as the eco-criticisms, post-colonialisms, and advanced narratives, can be applied to the Everest climbing literature. By analyzing the themes of the human endurance, environmental ethics, colonial legacies, and the commercialization of the Everest, the study aims to provide the comprehensive understanding of the complex interplay between adventures, nature, and culture in the Himalayan narratives. They have three things: adventure, nature, and culture in Himalayas narratives. Research questions. First thing is research questions. Okay, how do different literary theories illuminate the cultural, ecological, and ideological dimension of the Everest climbing narratives, and what insight do they offer into the broader discourse of tourism, globalizations, and human ambition? Summary of the chosen text. One of the primary texts selected for this study is John Carquer Into the Thin Year, 1997, a non-fictionable account of the 1996 Mount Everest stars. The book provides the gripping first-person narratives of the challenge and the ethical dilemma faced by the climbers, guides, and the tourism industry. The study will also reference other works such as The Climb of the Anatoly, Hugov, and Everest, the first ascent by Harris Tukey, to broaden the scope of the analysis. Theoretical frameworks. Eco-criticisms. Eco-criticisms examine the Everest climbing narratives, deep-shaped environmental degradations, climate change, and human responsibility in fragile ecosystems. Post-colonial theory, analyzing the Western dominance and commercialization interest and cultural appropriations affect indigenous Sherpa communities. Number 3, adventure and heroism studies, investigating the portrayal of the heroism, masculinity, and survival in Everest conditions. Marxist criticisms, critiquing the class dynamics of the commercializations of the Everest expedition, where the financial privilege often determines success. Methodology, textual analysis, a close reading of Into the Thin Year and supporting text through the chosen theoretical lenses. Comparative studies, examine the similarities and difference in the descriptions of the Everest climbing in Western versus indigenous narratives. Historical contextualizations, situating the narratives within the broader history of the mountaineering, tourism, and globalizations. Ethnographic insights, incorporating Sherpa perspective and the first-hand accounts for climbing literature to provide the balanced views. Expected outcomes, nation's understanding of how the literary representations of the Everest reflect larger social, environmental, and cultural concerns. Critical engagement with the ethics of the high altitude tourism and the impact of the local communities. A fresh theoretical perspective and combines the ecological, economic, and ideological critiques in the mountaineering literatures. Preliminary sources: Carquer, John Into the Thin Year, 1997. Burkipp's Anatoly, G. Western de Walt, The Climb of the Martyrs, Press, 1997. Toki Harai, Everest, The First Ascent, Lowell Press, 2013. Author Seri B. Life and Death, Mount Everest, Sherpas and Himalayans Mountaineering, Princeton University Press, 1999. Eve Jack D. Himalayan Perception, Environmental Change and the Well-Being Mountains Peoples, Rollkey 2004. Davis Walde, Into the Science, The Great War, Melody on the Consequence of the Everest. Bas Rick, The Mountain, My Time, Everest, National Geography 2013. Okay, namaste. And if you have any kinds of the questions about the Everest trips and what the things specialize and your lenses, we can share with each others, because I'm here experience and you also need some, very much refreshing like questions and friends. If you feel this, okay, welcome and contact us. Thank you so much. Thank you. Namaste. See you next time.